What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We making fried rice, chicken fried rice, to be exact. It's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
Now, first thing first, we're gonna get about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil into our wok. Now, once we get our sesame oil in, we're gonna add our veg. Our veg is simply bell pepper and onion. Now, all we trying to do here, we just simply trying to get these vegetables sweat down a little bit. You know how we do, y'all. We've been doing this for a while now. And once we get those bell peppers and onions saute down a bit, y'all already know what we gotta do. Gotta rain on it. Gotta hit it with a little salt. Just let those vegetables sweat down even more. You want to give all their goodness. All their goodness. So let's go ahead and get that off that eye. After we get them veg out, we're going to add just a little bit more sesame oil. Just to help with the cooking process. All pan got to be oiled, y'all. Can't let the vegetables take it off. So next we're going to add 3 eggs. 3 scrambled eggs. And we're going to go ahead and finish scrambling them. Now, today I chose to use a whisk in which to scramble these. Because I had already whipped them up in the bowl. It was like, why not keep whipping them up in the wok? Hey, easy preparation. But anyway, just like with our veg, as soon as our eggs get set and ready to go, we're going to get those out too. Now, you got to realize when you're cooking your eggs, hey, they ain't going to finish cooking here. You're going to cook them some more. So make sure you understand that. So we're going to add just a little bit more sesame oil once again, and then add in our shaved chicken. Now I cut this chicken as thin as I can get it. This is 1 chicken breast. And that's all you really need, y'all. And this said meat and wifey with the rice and everything that went with it. Stretching that dollar, y'all. Stretching that dollar. Oh yeah. So all we looking for here is just to cook our chicken all the way through. So it's not quite all the way, because it's still gonna be in the wok, but you want it to be at least, if you're looking at internal temperature, you want it to be at least around, I would say 150, before you start adding the rest of your ingredients to your stir fry. Well, not really stir fry, because this fried rice, y'all. This fried rice. So once you reach that desired temperature, let's go ahead and get our rice in. And like I say, you have to realize when you put the rice in, your chicken shouldn't be actually all the way done, like I said, about 150, not 165, because it's going to cook just a little bit more. And now we want to get in a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. 2 heaping tablespoons of soy sauce. And we're going to give that a mix. Start incorporating that into our rice and everything else. It's just gonna give even more seasoning to our chicken. That's why we didn't want to season our chicken beforehand, because our rice is seasoned and our vegetables are seasoned. Everything else is seasoned, and then we're gonna get our vegetables in and our eggs, and we're gonna give that a quick mix. Now I added an extra tablespoon of oyster sauce, just because I'm from St. Louis and we like our rice a little bit darker. And I know my wife would be like, "Oh, that rice is too light," but that's okay. She enjoyed it anyway, y'all. Really do. So anyway, let's play that, y'all. Let's play that. Now our chicken fried rice is all ready and ready to go. And look at that plate, y'all. Just building a nice little plate. Oh my goodness. Now for me, this is a tasty dish, y'all. Real tasty. So let's give this dish here a taste. And look at that fried rice. Oh my goodness. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it rolling, y'all. See ya.